So, good morning. I'm already driving, but only like 30 minutes. But the sun is shining today. See, in my face. Uh, and yeah, it's not cold. The wind is sometimes a little bit cold, but it's okay, it's fine. And yeah, I will drive this road a little bit, but soon I'm coming to a part where I already drive on my way to Hanoi. So I need to switch a little bit. Or I'm driving the same way. I don't want to drive the same way again. And there I want to go from the big road to a small road. So I hope I find a hotel there. On Google Maps I see some. But yeah, if they have space or they are still open, I don't know. Let's see, but the scenery, it's really nice. Wait, I make some shots here.